coming. I think this is the best Small Cell World Summit that there's been in many years.
Great venue and a lot of content that has been very informative for people who may be dipping into the small cell, trying to understand what's going on.
Just the amount of activity, especially in the exhibit hall. I think the only challenge is there trying to navigate through the people to get coffee. What I've seen this year that's in a contrast to some of the previous years is really the diversity of companies that are presenting and also the topics as well, which has been quite engaging.
There was a large number of audience, but even more importantly from a very diverse set of companies. It really covered all aspects of small cells, starting from the deployment use cases, indoor, campus and large venues, then moving on to architectures to support these use cases.
It's been really nice to see some old faces that I saw last year at the conference. It's nice to meet the suppliers and actually put faces to names and build up a good relationship.
One of the highlights has been to show 5G JOTS working live.
We have learned of some of the experience in UK and US, specifically in JITS specification and beyond that.
The content was very well aligned with our targets as a company. It was a nice mix of MNOs, system integrators, government, suppliers, so it was very well attended and very happy with the event so far.
This year in particular, where SCWS, I've seen the growth and the promotion. It's really coming of age, the rather symbiotic relationship between neutral hosts and MNOs, and that's enabled by small cells as a technology.
We're starting to see some areas really taking hold in terms of the value proposition, the clarity. Stadium sector, strong messages there around how small cell is helping to create quite advanced connectivity in that sector. And I think that that's an area where it starts to show it's a flagship for other sectors to say where we can work with that.
You can actually have far better interactions here than you can by going to a World Congress, for example.
Put all these pieces together, I think it was a great networking and information sharing event.